A for
apple,
B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
pig,
G for
goat,
H for
goat,
I for
iron,
J for
dog,
K for
kite,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
newt,
O for
orange,
P for
parrot,
Q for
quiver,
R for
nose,
S for
sun,
T for
toothbrush,
U for
umbrella,
B for
bat,
W for
watch,
X for
elephant,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra.
Good job.